In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coursera to ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner. Click your profile icon, which is where your avatar and account menu live. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the panel where you manage how ChatGPT behaves and which tools it can use. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. This is where connections to third-party services are managed. Open it, then select Explore Apps or Add More, depending on what your screen shows. Both options take you to the same catalog of available apps. At the top of the catalog, you'll see a search field. Click into that field and type Coursera. Give it a moment to load the results, then look for the Coursera app in the list. You can click into its details to confirm you found the official option and review what it does. When you're ready, click Connect. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. You may be asked to sign into your Coursera account and grant permission for ChatGPT to access certain information so the integration works. Read each prompt carefully, confirm you're linking the correct account, and proceed through the prompts until you see that the connection is complete. Once connected, you should see Coursera listed among your apps, indicating the setup worked. If anything doesn't load right away, wait a few seconds or refresh the page and check again. Make sure you're comfortable with the permissions you approve and avoid entering any sensitive information where it isn't requested. If you don't immediately find the Coursera app in search, double-check your spelling and try again. Catalogs can vary by region and account type, so availability might differ. If the catalog seems empty or unresponsive, close the panel and reopen it from Settings, or try again in a fresh session. Keep in mind, availability and prompts can vary by account and region. On managed workspaces, your organization may limit which apps appear. A stable internet connection and an up-to-date browser help the catalog load smoothly, and pausing briefly after each click avoids duplicate actions. Always read each screen and continue only when the permissions match your expectations. That's all there is to it. You clicked your profile, opened Settings, chose Apps, explored the catalog, searched for Coursera, hit Connect, and followed the prompts. With that done, your ChatGPT and Coursera accounts are linked, and you're ready to make the most of the integration whenever it's available in your workspace.